When you add new layout pages, you can choose between blank pages and pages with starter layouts designed for specific uses. Add a blank page to build your own design from scratch. In the Home menu, click Pages. Then click the plus button. In the Layout section of the Pages menu, choose Blank. Then enter a page title. Keep in mind, this title can be changed at any time. Now you can click the Edit button, click an insert point or the plus button, and begin adding blocks to your page. Starter layouts are professional page designs with pre-arranged placeholder blocks. You can add your own content to the blocks, delete them, and add more blocks to the page to create a more custom look and feel. To add a page with a starter layout, in the Layout section of the Pages menu, choose a layout type. On the next page, browse Layout Options. Click the layout you want to start with, enter your page title, and then add your content. Starter layouts use placeholder blocks, so be sure to customize your blocks for your specific purposes. To see any blocks type, click Edit on the page and then hover over the block. To replace the placeholder blocks with your own content, double-click any placeholder content to edit or delete it. You can also click an insert point to add more blocks. Adding more blocks to a starter layout doesn't break the page. Think of layouts as your starting point and blocks as tools to further customize your page. If you're hesitant to change a starter layout, you can duplicate the page, make it private, then use that as a test page. You can use page settings to edit a page's title, description, URL, thumbnail, and other options. And you can use the Site Styles panel to adjust the site-wide style tweaks that affect the appearance of layout pages, like fonts, colors, and spacing. Please let us know if you have any further questions. We're always here to help.